and today I will be demonstrating ravioli with cream sauce. This week we will be demonstrating different dishes from Italy. So today I am going to demonstrate a fresh pasta, fresh stuffed pasta called ravioli, which is one of the most famous pastas in the region of Italy. So today I am going to stuff it with mushroom, a simple mushroom filling I am going to make and stuff it. And then we are going to cook it with the cream sauce. So let's begin with the ingredients first. So to make the pasta we would need egg yolk, some flour and little bit of salt. For the sauce I'll be using mushrooms, onion, garlic, some herbs, this is oregano and basil, and to finish my sauce I'll be using some cheese and olives into it. To begin with, I'll start with the pasta dough. So here I have 200 grams of refined flour. I'll add around 1 gram of salt and 2 egg yolks. So let's put the yolk one by one and slowly mix the dough. The dough will be a hard dough. Make sure your dough does not become dry. So when you are storing, make sure you are covering your dough well. So I've mixed one of the egg yolks. I'll put another yolk as well. Bind your dough well with your fingers. Knead your dough. So we can see now the dough has already started binding well. So keep pressing the dough with your fingers and your palm and get all the dry flour together. So we knead the dough. Use both your hands to knead it well. The dough will not be very stretchy. Just to show you the texture, it still needs to be kneaded little more. Keep on working on the dough till the time you get a correct texture of the dough, and then we will rest the dough for some time. So dough is almost ready. Now we will keep it for resting. So we will just cling wrap it and keep so that it doesn't turn dry. Make sure whenever you are making the pasta dough, you are not working with very dry conditions. Make sure you roll your pasta well and rest it. I'll just keep the side. So the second part for this, now since the dough is resting, we will make the filling. For the filling, I am taking some butter. Once the butter melts, add some garlic. Add chopped onions. Once your onions turn a bit translucent, we will add the sliced mushrooms. We'll add some seasoning. I'm putting some crushed black pepper, some salt, for the flavor I'm adding few leaves of basil, the fresh basil. And at the end we will add some Parmesan cheese, which will give the required binding for the mushroom and also add on to the flavor. Once you add your Parmesan, no need to cook it for a very long time, just stir it in and then the filling for your ravioli is ready. So let's roll our ravioli now. Take out a small portion of the dough and wrap the rest back again. Just dust some dry flour and roll your dough into a thin sheet. You can also use the pasta dough rolling machine. Roll the dough as thin as possible and make sure all the sides are rolled evenly. So this should be the approximate thickness of the sheet that you are rolling. So we have the sheet ready. We will put the filling. Press the side so that there is no air left inside. If your dough is good enough, you will not need anything to stick the two layers. But if you think your dough is drying out a bit, you can use some egg wash or little bit of water to put your two layers together. So I have this butter. I'm making it with a round shape. This can be cut into a square shape, and we can do it into a round also. Once you have cut it, seal the sides once more just to be sure that the filling does not come out. So we will just seal the ends with the fork. And now we are going to cook them. So I have my water almost ready. I'll just put little olive oil into it to avoid the raviolis to stick to each other, and I will slowly put my raviolis inside. It will take approximately around 3 to 4 minutes for the raviolis to get completely cooked. Once they cook, they will start floating on the top of the water. So we will allow the raviolis to cook. Okay, till the time the ravioli is cooking, we will start with our sauce, the cream sauce that we are making. So we take some butter again. We add some garlic to this. Very little chopped onion. I have some sliced olives, green and black. I'll just stir them in. We add some basil. For the ravioli, we can see it is, the raviolis have started almost coming on the top, but still it is going to take maybe another 1 minute to cook completely. Next, we are going to add the white sauce. For the seasoning, we add some salt, some pepper. I'm adding little oregano. So this is the basic sauce. Once we put our So this is the basic sauce that we are getting ready. Once we put our ravioli, we are just going to finish it with cream at the end. So the raviolis are ready, they are cooked now. I'm switching off the flame, and slowly one by one we are going to take out the ravioli. So let's finish our ravioli with the sauce. We'll heat a bit of olive oil into the pan. Once our olive oil, so the olive oil is hot. Now we are going to put our ravioli one by one into the pan. We bring back the sauce, and now we will put this tossed raviolis into a sauce. And just very lightly stir it in. Let the raviolis nicely get coated with the sauce. And then we are going to finish it with some cream, fresh cream. Okay, so we can see now the sauce is nicely coated the raviolis, and now we are ready for the presentation. So I'm going to put my ravioli slowly into my pasta plate. Let's put little sauce. Let's put a drizzle of olive oil. And a nice sprig of basil. Some grated parmesan on the side. So that's our ravioli stuffed with mushroom filling with cream sauce.